What's going on, everyone? You're back with your boy Jono for another quick math lesson. Today we're going to look at how to expand in questions where there are multiple algebraic fractions. These questions sometimes look a little bit difficult because there's a lot going on, but we can really break these down into small steps so we know exactly how to do them. So we might have something like this: 2x plus 5 all over 6 plus x minus 4 over 5. So the first thing we've got to do, because we're trying to plus this together, is we need to make the denominators the same. So we could multiply the whole first fraction by 5, and we could multiply the whole second fraction by 6. This ensures that the bottom is going to be 30. After we've done that, we're going to have to do some expansion, and we're going to have to collect the like terms that come out of that expansion. And finally, we have to simplify. So really, these three things are our goal. Make the denominators the same, expand and collect, and finally simplify. Like I said, we can multiply the whole first fraction by 5. So we've got 5 multiplied by 2x plus 5. And then we're going to multiply the whole second fraction by 6, and that is 6x minus 4. Because we've multiplied both of these fractions by 5 and 6 respectively, we know that our answer is going to be over 30. That's why we've used these two numbers. Now we've got to expand based on what we've put up the top. So we've got 10x plus 25 plus 6x minus 24, and that is our top line of working. Because we've done the expansion so well, we just have to collect the like terms, and then we're into our simple answer. The two x terms give us 16x, and the plus 25 and minus 24 give us plus 1. That means my final answer is 16x plus 1 over 30, full marks. Now that doesn't seem too bad. That's using our fraction knowledge from kind of grade 7 and our expansion knowledge that we've learned in this unit. But we've got to make sure that we are watching out for any time there is a subtraction between two fractions. I legitimately think this is the biggest mistake that students make their whole way through maths, because it's really easy to forget about it. But that subtraction is your teacher trying to trick you. That's how we separate the 100% kids from the kids that are getting 80%. So please make sure that you are looking out for this subtraction, because it is your teacher trying to trick you. So here I've got 7x minus 2 over 3 minus, that's really important, look for that subtraction, and then 3x minus 1 over 8. Again, the same steps are happening. We've got to make sure that we get the same denominator. So we're going to multiply the whole first fraction by 8 and the whole second fraction by 3, giving us over 24. So when I go to expand this, I've got 8 times 7x, which is 56x minus 16. And here is the part where you've got to go, ooh, there is a subtraction. What's really important is that it's not just 3 times that whole bracket, it's negative 3. The negative stays with that 3. This is the bit that you need to slow down for. So this negative 3 multiplied by 3x gives us negative 9x, and then the negative 3 multiplies with the negative 1, giving us plus 3. That negative there will change your mark 100%. It'll take you from that 4 for a question like this into a 5. Then we've got to collect our like terms. So 56x minus 9x is equal to 47x. And then we've got negative 16 plus 3, so negative 13, all over 24, and that's our final answer. So again, the expansion does make sense. We are just kind of cross-multiplying and using expansion in order to get it into one nice line of equation. The only thing you really need to look out for is make sure if you see a negative sign in between or a subtraction, you have to slow down, because that negative goes with what you're multiplying everything by. 100%, if you're on top of that, the rest of your algebra is going to be pretty easy. Thanks so much for watching this lesson, and I'll see you later.